that. And take it in there. So that's the basket ready. Take a 260, tie some knots in it. Just make a little bead. And put the bead inside a 2 foot or a 3 foot latex balloon. Get it in the middle. And wrap around the rest of your 260. Tie a knot. This just gives you an attachment point for the 260s to wrap around to attach your 11-inch balloons onto. So cut that so the air comes out. Inflate the 24-inch balloon. And attach. Tie two together. We use about 8, but again it would depend on the size of your balloon and the size of your basket. So just tie that in and then put them round and tie them at the knot at the other side. This as well for keeping these in place. Space that.